Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more coordinate geometry numerical problems. See, in this, the problem is prove that the points -7, -3, 5, 10, 15, 8 and 3, -7 taken in order are the corners of a parallelogram. See, 4 points given. With 4 points, we can form a quadrilateral. We can form a quadrilateral with 4 coordinates. We can form a square, a parallelogram, a rhombus, a trapezium, a square, a rectangle, like that. With 4 sides, so many are there. 5, nearly 5 special laminas are there. So in this, these points belongs to parallelogram. We should show. That's why first we should know the property. So now just suppose these two are the laminas formed by 4 vertices only. For this also 4 vertices, this also 4 vertices. These two are similar property sum. In this parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. This side equal, this side equal. Opposite sides are equal. If you prove only this condition, then rectangle also opposite sides are equal. This side equal. So if you only these conditions only considered opposite sides equal means, then it may be a square rectangle also, who knows. So that's why specifically we should show. That means what is the difference in these? The difference also we should prove. The difference is here opposite sides are equal in both the laminas, but in this parallelogram the diagonals not equal. Diagonals not equal. But in the case of rectangle, diagonals also equal. That's why we should find out the 4 sides lengths and diagonal lengths also. If opposite sides equal and diagonals not equal, that condition satisfied means then only that is parallelogram. If opposite sides equal and diagonals also equal, means that belongs to a rectangle, not parallel. Okay, now that's why we should show all the conditions. We should satisfy all the conditions. Okay, now let points A -7, -3, B 5, 10, 5, 10, C 15, 8 and D 3, -5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. Order is important. If the points order you changed A, B, C, D continuously, we should take. Order you changed means then the properties also change. That order is important. So you only give taken in order. So that's why you should take in order A, B, C, D. So we are taking in this order. Anywhere you start A, here you start A, B, C, D or A, B, C, D. But A, B, C, D, like that order should not change. Order means in cyclic order. A is -7, 3, -7, -3. B is 5, 10. C is 15, 8. Now A, B, C, D, you should not take C, D like this, because order, cyclic order, the points are A, B, C, D. Otherwise A, B, C, D also you can take. Otherwise A, B, C, D, wherever you start in cyclic order, you should take the remaining points 3, -5. So like this. BD is one diagonal, AC is other diagonal. Now find the lengths. Length AB, points you write 3, -5, A is -7, -3, 5, 10. Now you take it x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 - x1 whole square plus y2 - y1 whole square root of, we know this formula, distance between formula. Now substitute. Y2 is 10 minus y1 is -10 -3 whole square plus x2 is 5, x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square root. Okay. 5 this plus 7 minus into minus plus 7 plus 10 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. This is 12 square plus 13 square root 2. 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169. If you add this 169, 144, 3, 1, 2, 213, 313, 313 root of units, some units. Okay. Next, length. AB, BC. Points, right? BC. 5, 10. BC points. 15, 8. Okay. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of, that is equal to x2 is 15 minus x1 is 5 whole square plus y2 is 8 minus y1 is 10 whole square root of. Now this is 10 whole square plus this is minus 2 whole square, because minus is more. This is 100 plus is 2, minus becomes plus while squaring, you know that. Okay. 104 units BC length. AB, BC, AB, BC, CD. CD, C point is 15.8, D point is 3 minus 5. So x1, y1, x2, y2, distance, length CD. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of, x2 is 3 minus x1 is 15 whole square plus y2 is minus 5 minus 8 whole square. This is minus 12, 15 minus 3 is minus is more, both are minus, square it. Now squaring minus means plus, 144 plus squaring minus is plus 1330 is 169, that is 330 units. Next one, BC, CD, AB, BC, CD, DA. Length DA or AD. Points you write D. D point is 3 minus 5. A point is minus 7 minus 3. So this is x1, x2, y1, y2. Now x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of, that is x2 is x1, y1, x2, y2, x2 is minus 7 minus x1 is 3 whole square plus y2 is minus 3 minus of minus plus 5 whole square, right, like that. Here minus 10 whole square plus here 2 whole square. This is 100 minus square is plus 4. This is 104 units. Now all the sides finish. Now diagonals. Diagonals are BD, AC. Now BD. Length of BD. Right, points BD, B point 510. B point is 510. D point is 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. x1, y1, x2, y2. Length. Okay. Here place so many times we wrote now. That formula you write x2. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. To do all the problem same time without rubbing, that's why place not sufficient. Okay. Now this is minus 2 whole square plus this is minus 15 whole square root 2, because both are minus. This is 4, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus, 15 15 is 225, that is 229 units. Length BD. So like that length BD diagonal finish to AC. AC. A point is -7 -3. C. C point is 15 8. 15 8. This is x1 y1 x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 minus x1, that is plus 7. x2 minus of minus plus 1 plus y2 minus minus and minus plus whole square root of, that is 22 whole square plus 11 whole square under root 2. Here we should multiply 22 22s 4 4 4 4 4 part 484 484 plus 11 sevens are 121 root 2. So for this 121 you would add, see, 605 units. Now conditions you see. Sides, see here, right, from the figure, from the figure, opposite sides, what are opposite sides? AB DC, AB is equal to DC, came or not, once you check. AB DC, you see, AB is what? 313 units, DC is what? 330 units. These two are 313 units only, units. Okay, next AB DC. Okay. Now AD BC, you see, AD BC, if I wrote is equal not there means then we will write not. So AD is what? AD 104. This is also BC also 104 units. Diagonals BD is equal to BD 229. Next AC 605. So BD not equal to AC. So here see, opposite sides equal, diagonals not equal. Therefore the given points are the vertices of a parallelogram. Now write clearly here, opposite sides you take and you see, check equal or not. Here case equal only. See, ABDC are equal, AD BC opposite sides, AB DC are opposite sides, that's value 313 under root, same. Next AD BC are opposite sides, AD BC opposite sides 104. Next 104 only units. Now BD one diagonal, AC one diagonal, both are differently came. That's why these conditions are belongs to parallelogram. So that's why the vertices are, these are the points are vertices of a parallelogram. I hope everyone understood this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.